Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will offer my IT consulting services. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I'm launching right now my consulting services. I will call it GCash Pomperada IT Consulting Services. I offering my services in IT or information technology, system analysis design, software development, web design and development, and computer programming services. I've been doing consulting and computer programming for almost since college, almost 30 years now. Most of my technology that I use is C, C++, Java, Python, Visual Basic, .NET, C#. For the web, I specialized in PHP, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. For desktop applications, I use primarily Visual Basic 6, Visual Basic .NET, and Visual Fox Pro and Microsoft Access, depending on the need of the project and the client's requirements. I also accept technical writing, thesis or capstone services. I have developed several business application software like accounting system, company's website, information system, accounts receivable, payroll, enrollment, simple point of sale, among others. If you want to contact me at the following email address: jkrpomperada@gmail.com and jkrpomperada@yahoo.com. My mobile number here in the Philippines is 0917-3084-360. Quality service at a very affordable cost is my business. So I'm doing this for freelance job, which also exposed me on a wide variety of clients and services that I can help them. I can also act as consultant in your software projects if there are some problems and managing IT projects. You can also hire me. I do also technical book writing and software testing. Thank you so much for your support in advance guys. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.